Come back is a very common phrasal verb in English. It has a simple main meaning. Come back means to return to a place. This is the most important meaning for beginners to remember first. Listen to these simple examples. I will come back later means I plan to return soon. She came back from vacation yesterday means her trip ended and she returned home. Can you come back to the office soon is asking someone to return quickly. Come back is similar to return, go back, and get back. These all mean returning to a place but sound slightly different. Come back also means to recover, to reappear, or to reply. Context shows which meaning is correct. In daily life, we say you came back very late last night to talk about returning home late. I will come back and pick you up soon means returning to get someone. We have just come back from vacation describes a recent return from travel. Come back has other important meanings too. It all came back to me means suddenly remembering something from the past. Fashion trends come back means old styles become popular again after many years. It's all coming back to me now describes memories returning slowly. Low-rise jeans have come back shows fashion returning after being gone. The color came back to her cheeks means health and strength returning to the face. Remember these 4 main meanings of come back. Return to a place. Memory returns suddenly. Trends reappear after time away. Reply sharply to someone. Practice these meanings with real conversations every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.